Lovelies. Please, can I turn on the AC a bit? Like, turn it down. It's not too loud. Sorry. Hey, Lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm starting off this video looking like a queen.
Will you keep quiet?
You guys, look at Precious. Precious, where are you going to? Let me see your face. You are going not. Now you wear wig. You guys, look at how Precious looks deck. Like, oh, like keep you guys. Let me keep you guys here. Hey, Lovelies. So everyone has gone down. In the last clip that you saw, we went to Obiwizi to buy phone cases, but apparently they've moved. They're not there anymore and we don't know where they are now, so we left. I could not buy the phone case I wanted. I also want to buy a case for my AirPod, but they weren't there, so I didn't buy. So we just came to the store to buy something. My sister and Precious and Tiara, they've gone down to get the things, but I stayed back because, let me remove these glasses so I can be seeing you guys eyeball to eyeballs. So the reason why I stayed back is because I wanted to just tell you guys the new way of theft that's happening these days. This one happened to me, it happened to us, so I can say for a fact that I'm not bluffing. It is real. So my sister ordered food this morning and she had been communicating with the dispatch rider. He was on the way to the house, so he kept calling, I'm here, where should I turn to? So he then called and told her that he is downstairs, and she said, okay, someone will come and my sister would come and pick it up from you. Do you know that after she dropped the call, two guys cornered the dispatch rider and they were like, my name is Ayo, I was sent to pick up the package. And thankfully, the dispatch rider had sense enough to call my sister and ask her, Ayo is here to pick up the package. Should I give it to him? And like, who is Ayo? She now had to ask them, who is Ayo? Ayo from where? No, I don't know any Ayo. Before she could even finish talking, those guys ran away. So you can imagine, we ordered food basically, so if they're taking the food, no problem. But imagine if it was something else. Imagine if it was a phone, or if it was clothes, or if it was something tangible, something. You guys, be careful out there. Ensure that, tell your dispatch rider, ensure that whenever they call you, tell them to confirm. Even when they've given you the package, they should call your number right in front of them to be sure that they've given you the package. Because most dispatch riders, all they want to do is just drop off and go. They don't care. I'm getting hot. Whew. All they want to do is drop off and go. They don't care if they are giving the package to the right person. And talking about this, some months ago, a dispatch rider came to deliver a package to me. So I was outside the gate. I kept waiting and waiting and waiting. This guy wasn't picking my call anymore. I kept waiting. Apparently someone else came out from her gate and she was waiting for a package from another dispatch rider. So immediately he saw her, he thought I was the one. He gave her the package and he left. So I kept calling and calling. He then picked and told me that he has dropped my package. I said, you did not drop any package with me. You have to go back to wherever you dropped that package, pick it up and come and drop it with me. And they make these mistakes. They don't call, they just drop off and go. So please be very careful out there to ensure that your rider calls you and you call your rider and you pick up your package, because these guys are out there stealing people's God, it wasn't even funny. These guys are out there stealing people's hard-earned money, stealing people's food and everything that a dispatch rider can deliver to you. So yeah, please just be very careful. I said I was going to share this with you guys because it happened this morning. It happened just today. You guys, please be careful out there. So we're at the store now and they went in to pick up the things that we need. I'm just in the car waiting for them. I had to stay back to make this video because I didn't want us to waste so much time. Yes, I think I might just order my phone case online. Like, think of it, I'll just order it online and I'll even see varieties. I'll see like options to pick from. So yeah, I'll order my phone case online. We intend going to have fun tomorrow. We intend going to Orbit tomorrow. I'm so excited. I haven't been there before and I'm excited to even take Tiara there so she can also have fun too. So yeah, I don't think we'll get up to, or I would get up to anything today. If I don't, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Much later. The next day.
You guys, my sister makes the best jollof rice in Lagos. If you have party, just call her, she'll cook for you. You don't even have to pay her, she'll cook for you. Abi Bolani? Bolani? You cook for them, Abi? For free, because they are my people. You not charge them money. Why are you looking at me, Bola? I'm making me shy. Eh? Yes, so today is for jollof rice. Comment down below if you guys eat jollof rice in your house every Sunday, because I think rice is the only thing people eat in their house on Sundays. Abi Bola. Answer me now. I clearly cannot eat and talk, so I'll catch you guys up when I'm done. You guys, we had to turn back. If you see the queue, I'm not about to wait for 30 minutes or even an hour for a burger. No, we'll most likely come back tomorrow or some other time, because I'm not all about that life. Good morning. So I want to officially end the vlog. You guys, the traffic yesterday was on another level. From VI to Lekki, we spent 2 hours. We didn't get to the house till 12 midnight. Yes, the traffic was mad. I was tired. I was exhausted. To think that I just went to have milkshake and chicken wings, because you guys saw that we already ate. I ate rice before we left. The traffic yesterday, like, it humbled me. If you live in Lagos, how are you coping? How are you guys coping? The traffic is crazy. I'm about heading out now. I have errands I need to run, but I want to close out this video before I go out. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.